Hi Dollar Divas, welcome back to my channel. So today is a little bit of a different video. I recently made like a really big purchase on Shine. I don't know if I'm saying it wrong. Anyways, I'm late to the party and when I made the order, I didn't even realize they had makeup. And so I would like to do another Shein haul and buy makeup and test it. Haven't gotten there yet, but that is in my plan for the future because I've had some people ask for it. But I'm going to be full-time in the Motown show this year, so I like to have good like costume jewelry. I think of all the years I spent buying stuff at Claire's and paying way too much. And yeah, it makes me a little sick. But yeah, better late than never. So I did want to share all the costume jewelry that I picked up. I got a lot of stuff and plus a couple other random items. So I just wanted to share this with you. I thought it would be fun. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Jessica and I normally love to do a lot of dollar store and Dollar Tree oriented makeup and shopping content. So if that is your thing, you're definitely in the right place. I do hope you'll become what I like to call a Dollar Diva. And of course, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming on back to another video. But yeah, I just thought this would be fun today. And before we get into the video, this makeup look went up on my channel, and this is a full face of makeup that I find very readily available at my Dollar Tree, and a lot of the products I have found them readily available for years. So definitely check that out if you want to see a makeup look you can do with stuff that you can easily find at the Dollar Tree, because I know it's fun to haul cool and interesting things, but we don't always have that luxury at our Dollar Trees depending on where you live, your area, all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to do something a little bit that was a little bit more attainable for more people. So there you go. So anyways, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So kind of a non-jewelry item. I wear a lot of like gowns, and so I like to have like satin gloves for certain gowns, and you need different colors. Bought a couple last year on Amazon for like $11, $12, $13 a piece, having no idea that I could get them on Shein for like a quarter that price. Better late than never. I have a bunch of different colors, but I didn't have gold. So I wanted gold. I've already taken like a lot of the stuff out of the packaging to kind of look at it myself. But yeah, so it's just like these like gloves, like so that, you know, they kind of come up, and you know, I like to wear bracelets and all that fun stuff. So just depending on the dress, I now have a gold pair that I can wear. I've got blue, I've got purple, I've got silver, I've got black, I've got dark, like I've got a royal blue and I have like a dark blue. I felt like I needed gold. So yeah, so picked up a pair of gold satin gloves. So now we're getting into like the jewelry. Yeah, so some of these things I don't really know what the sizes are when I see them. So I think they're pretty. These kind of shook me a little bit, but I'm gonna wear them. These earrings here, I didn't realize they were gonna be so big. But they got that beautiful like Aurora Borealis kind of like diamond, which I'm like a sucker for. Of course, we will like try one on. I love when they come with like two backs. I like when like you get like one of the rubber backs. Those are like actually like my go-to. And some of the stuff like the stuff that's not as crazy I can wear like on my channel here maybe. So yeah, those are pretty crazy. Now granted, I do wear a lot of hair as well. So I won't just be like necessarily this like little head with this giant earring. But some of the stuff, you know, I might find I'm sure I'll find my favorites and my go-tos, and then might not touch some of it, you know what I mean? Or might not wear some of it as often. So that you don't know until you get into your routine, you know? So then another thing, like I said, some of the stuff I've taken off its packaging is a necklace. So this right here was just I felt very blingy. It'll show up really good from the stage, and it's kind of like of course I won't be wearing a t-shirt with it, but yeah, it'll just be something depending on the neckline, you know, this will be something I wear. It's going to just depend on the particular dress that I'm wearing, and I've got several different dresses. So yeah, I thought that was really pretty, just with those big diamonds, just something you can wear with a lot of different things. I'm still wearing one earring like a pirate. And so I bought 2 sets of these. So I had some that I'd had for years, and they legit like wore out. They were falling apart, they were catching on things, and I bought them at Claire's like years ago. Threw them away, replaced them. So just these like stretchy kind of like rhinestone bracelets. So like I said, I bought 2 sets. They came in a set of however many. Some of them were wider, like these ones here, like the widest. Then I've got some other ones that are like 3 rows, some that are like 4 rows. So I've got some that are like they're thicker, and like the idea is like I'll like layer them, you know. So then I have some where they're like little singles and doubles. So you just kind of, like I said, I have got a bunch of them. They do wear out pretty quick. They'll catch on my gloves and my dresses, and they'll just go through wear and tear. So these don't generally last very long, so I'm so excited to be able to buy them cheap. So I love to wear gold as well. Like gold looks really good on me because I've got warm skin tone. So depending on my color of dress, so like if I wear like a gold dress or a green dress, or I have like a black and gold dress, I like to wear gold. So I have a necklace actually very similar to this that I've had for years. And because it's, you know, just costume jewelry, it's starting to look a little dingy, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of, this is like my replacement for that. They come with like, some of them come with like little extra like clasps and things. So yeah, so this is kind of meant to be worn like this. And, you know, it clips, and I just think it looks really, really, really cool. And I've got some earrings that, like, will really match this really nice. It's not super blingy, but it's like eye-catching. And like I said, sometimes I just want, like, clean lines with my jewelry depending on what I'm wearing. And gold is usually that thing that I will do that with. So this necklace here was really opulent, I felt. Sorry for all, like, the crunching of the bags. Now, I don't generally like to wear strapless gowns. They just generally, I don't feel secure in them, and kind of the way I'm shaped. I'm kind of broad-shouldered, and I kind of have it's just weird. I just don't generally wear them. But this necklace really makes me want to wear a strapless gown. But I do have a gown I do have some gowns I could wear this with, but it would be particularly nice with a strapless gown. So it's this bad boy right here, y'all. And I just was a sucker for it. And of course I'm wearing a shirt, but it kind of like, it's like a bib. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I just think it's just absolutely, it's just gorgeous. Of course, it looks ridiculous on me right now, but yeah, I think this would be beautiful with a strapless gown, like a black strapless gown, black gloves, all the bracelets, this necklace. Yeah, so got that. Like I said, hopefully it'll become a go-to. Don't know that it will, but I have it, and you know, like I said, all this stuff is like, you know, $2 and $3 and $4, you know. So here's another gold necklace, and I thought this one was very interesting. So I thought this was something I could wear too when I want to wear gold. But it's also something I wouldn't be like afraid to like wear it just like on a night out, like as like a statement piece. It's very, very light. So I thought this was really cool. This is like a almost like a crochet. It's not metal. It's like almost like a string. So it's very light. It's not nearly as heavy as it looks. But like I said, yeah, I just thought it was really super cool. And so I really wanted it. You could wear it there, or you could wear it a little lower. And like, it's kind of like this like matte finish, which I thought was kind of interesting. But very light, feels really cool. I just thought that was a really cool piece. And like I said, this is something I would actually probably even wear off stage as well. So I bought these as well. I thought they were a really pretty style. And I don't really have anything like this. So they're a drop earring with kind of like black stones in the middle. So let us try them, at least one of them. Yeah, that's really cool. That's an earring that would look really good, like with, oh, it would look really good with that necklace and black gloves and a black strapless gown and your hair up. Yeah, very, very pretty. Okay, so I'm going to still leave one earring off because I'm going to try one of these on. But I got this set. This is like really like the only like set, like earring and necklace set I got, but it was really, really pretty. This is something I can either wear together, or I can wear each like individual piece on its own, of course. Yeah, I thought those were really, really pretty earrings. And I thought the necklace was really pretty too. Sometimes you just need something that's kind of princessy like this, you know? And I could even wear it a little higher if I wanted to, higher up on the neck, or you could wear it lower on the neck. And so yeah, just a really pretty piece, I thought. And of course to have the matching earrings is always a nice thing. Like I said, I'm wearing like the wrong shirt for this, but that's okay. We're just having fun. We're just playing. So something that I can see going with that really simple like gold necklace I showed you a while back would be these earrings right here. And these are just, I love wearing gold, like especially with my dark hair. Very simple, but very bold, kind of a hoop, I guess you could say. And I just thought that was just really pretty, like with my dark hair, have that necklace, or like or I have, like I said, a black and gold dress, that these would just be beautiful. And they're really shiny. Like I said, a lot of my gold jewelry that I have at work at the moment has been very, very, very well loved. And it's just dingy. You know how, gold that isn't real, it just kind of fades over time. And so it was just time for some new gold stuff, especially. Then I got a set of each of these, one in gold and one in silver. I just thought they were a really nice little like teardrop shaped earring. So there's the gold, just a very nice earring. It's actually like small enough like where I could really wear it, even like, I could even wear it to film if I wanted to be a little extra. Here's the silver one. I thought the silver was pretty. I really couldn't like decide, so I figured it was good to have both, even though you really can't tell a huge difference between the gold and the silver. I just thought it was good to have both. So yeah, super cool. Really, really pretty earrings. And I guess like if I were to lose one from the stage, I could wear them together and you wouldn't really know. So I have a big pair of hoop earrings that are gold, and they, again, have seen better days, y'all. They're just dingy, and you can't clean them. You know, I can get makeup off of them, but once the gold starts going away, they're done. So I just got these, so these are like my replacement for those. I wear these, we have like a 70s segment in like one of our shows, which gold hoops are really, really nice to wear. And they look a little much on me right now without all my hair and everything. But like I said, I'm very extra when I dress up on a stage. So yeah, these will be really, really cool with my wig. And yeah, like I said, right now they're a bit much, but they're really pretty light. And yeah, these are going to be replacing a pair of hoops that I currently have. And then I thought these were really, really, really cool. They're really not blingy. They're just kind of textured. I think they had gold ones of these as well. And I was going to buy them, but I bought something different instead that you'll see. I do love, like for a dangle, like a glamorous dangle earring, I really like this shape, kind of this teardrop shape. I have a purple gown that I really like to wear this shape with. Yeah, these aren't too heavy. They're fun. I really, really like that. So then I bought two of these thinking that I might want to do something different. I don't know. Like I said, it's just how I feel. And sometimes I have to be dressed up with everything on to know exactly what I'm going to like or want to wear or what not. Like, you know, sometimes things just are a fail, you know what I mean? But I thought these are really cool, and I'll have to bend them to get them to really kind of fit my arm. But these like little, these are these cuff bracelets. So I've got really tiny wrists. So there we go. So I kind of get them to fit my arm now. So yeah, see, I just thought that might be kind of cool. I don't know, maybe with gloves or something. And if not, I mean, it could just be something like, could be a good costume piece. But I did get two of these because I felt like if I had one, I needed two, if that makes sense. Thought these are really cool as well. And these kind of remind me of like, kind of like Egyptian, kind of like Cleopatra-esque. And these are something I can even wear like outside of like the stage. And they're just like these kind of geometric, kind of like a hoop earring. I love, you know, if you know me, you know I love hoops of all kinds, sparkly ones. I love hoops that are shaped. Well, these are the ones I was wearing were like a teardrop kind of shape. I love star-shaped hoops. I love like square hoops. Yeah, that is really cool. So yeah, I would totally just like wear that like filming a video. But I thought it was just a really cool style that I felt I could get a lot of like multi-purpose use out of. And gold was like the way to go for sure. I think they had silver as well. Then here's another gold necklace I thought was super cool. It's this right here. Now for me personally, I think I like it a little higher up. So sometimes like I have to kind of like see it wants to be a little longer. Sometimes I have to kind of like alter the chain or just kind of cheat it a little bit. So like something like that I would kind of like want to wear like up higher. But I just thought that was like a really cool, like, you know, little necklace. I just thought it had some flair and had, I don't know, just really cool. And then I got these. I opened all this stuff up with my mom yesterday, and I actually gave her one because it was one I probably definitely would not wear. So it's like a set of rings, and I will show you them, but this is all of them together, minus one. This is almost like a man's like wedding band. I don't think I could ever really would ever fit me. But these here are all like adjustable. So my thinking was to wear them like, kind of like open them up a little bit and then wear them over like my gloves. So like I could wear a ring like over my gloves, which I don't normally do with like my regular rings because they don't fit. But these I was thinking I would have enough room where I could wear my gloves, my bracelets, and have like a ring on. So I just wanted to get, so I'll show you the styles now. So then these came in a set, and this is why I didn't buy gold ones in those like teardrop ones that were textured, because I found that they had a set of 4 that you could buy for like super cheap. So I just bought the set. So they're just like these textured earrings again, and in gold, and these are like a square shape. Then you've got some that are like triangles. Then you've got like your teardrop. And then you've got like your circle. I don't know that I'll ever really wear the circle ones, but you never know. They could end up being like my favorite. Like seriously, I have no idea. This is like another cuff bracelet. And this is again something that I could wear, like really wear off the stage and may, like if I dress up. But it's just like this cuff. It's another cuff bracelet, but it's got kind of that like cool design, like kind of like a chain design. So again, I kind of have to bend it to like actually fit my tiny wrists, which I know that sounds annoying, but like It kind of is, because like things never like fit me. But yeah, that's really cool looking. I like that. That, like wearing that with like something black, like black and gold, or just everything. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. I thought that was really cool. And like I said, I would definitely wear that like off the stage for sure. And then I bought 2 of these. Again, I did that thing where I buy one in each color, but I don't know that it's really going to make a difference. They're just kind of like these little, take one out and you can try it. So it's just got all these little chains on it. And I'm thinking this is going to kind of be kind of snug up against the neck. That's kind of what I'm hoping anyway. My neck is also kind of like a little small too. Sometimes things that are chokers should be chokers on me aren't, you know. But see, oh yeah, see, I thought that would be kind of nice. Sometimes you just, for certain dresses, you just don't know. You just need certain style. So you could wear it, I guess you could kind of wear it like that, where it just kind of drapes. If you had something that was kind of high, then that's wearing it like a little lower. So yeah, it's something that is meant to, I think, kind of be worn up high on your neck. And luckily it fits me good, which is not always the case. So I have it in my work bag. I tried it on. It's all good. I bought like a body shaper, like one of the ones that like you put on and it's like the thighs, you know, goes down to your thighs and it comes like up. And it seems like it's going to be really good. Just a little something, just a little control, a little smoothing out. So, and it, like I said, it wasn't expensive. I was looking on Amazon and I was going to have to spend at least like $30 to get one, but leave it to Shein. Like, I think it was like $5 or something like that. So that's all I need. That's all I want anyway. I might need more, but that's all I want. So that's in my work bag. I'm not going to pull that out, but I did buy like a body shaper. And then I bought a couple like weird little things. Here's one of them. I'm opening it up. So of course my hair right now is a little odd because it's just got like these little highlights in it. But I thought with my wig, I wanted to experiment with some fake bangs. And they have a lot of different colors. I got, of course, like a dark or like a medium brown. And last time I used fake bangs, they were like way more expensive. It was years ago and it didn't bode well for me. But I thought these would be kind of interesting. So my thought is, because you know, you guys know how I used to have bangs and then now I don't because my hair. So I thought these could be kind of interesting. So like these, of course, right now it looks ridiculous. My hair doesn't match, but I might even like trim them up a little bit. I guess you can wear them a little bit higher. And then you style your hair kind of like around them, you know, and it's got like the pieces on the side. So I was thinking like with like my wig, but that I could end up kind of sporting bangs again. And I'll probably end up like spraying them like with some hairspray just to kind of get them a little bit not so new. And I might just go in and just kind of cut them a little bit, but really like right out of the bag and stuff, like that is not terrible. I think this might actually kind of be like a success. We'll see. I'll definitely let you know. But yeah, I couldn't really, for like just a couple bucks, I couldn't really resist. And then the last item, and I've already kind of messed with this item, and so it's not like in any kind of condition that it actually came in, but I bought a ponytail, and I've already sprayed it with like some spray, and I actually took the clip off of it because I don't really like those. I just like to kind of put it on and safety pin it on. It's like I said, my hair is a little crazy right now, but this is something that I probably will film in. And that is just, of course, our like little secret, you know? But yeah, I kind of work with it, make it look like real hair. Right now it looks like a rat's nest because I was kind of playing with it. But yeah, I kind of brush it out a little bit. Like I said, put some spray on it, just something to make it look a little bit more real. So I'm going to be doing more experimenting with that. But I didn't want to spend like a whole lot of money on something like that, you know? So that is the last item. So I hope you enjoyed getting to see all of my crazy jewelry buys on Shein. And like I said, I promise I will do a makeup haul as well. And we'll have fun with that haul. And I will test out the makeup and see. Super excited. Like, I haven't even browsed yet. I really need to do that. Of course, if you have any suggestions, leave them down below as to something I should look at or buy. Because y'all know me. So you know what I like. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And thank you so much for joining me. And I will see you again next time.